Hey shoppers, today we have a kids scooter. We got this on Amazon. It is a Gotrax scooter. It has nice grip handles. You can adjust the handle to size. So say you have a taller or shorter child, you can adjust the size. It has a compass right here on top, which is kind of fun. It has 3 wheels, as you can see. Right here is the brakes, so they just simply press this down to stop the scooter. The wheels light up. It has a nice, large standing board pad, and as they lean, that is how they steer the wheels. We're gonna go ahead and try it out. It was very easy to put together. It is lightweight and portable, so you can easily load it up in your car if you want to take it to a friend's house, if you want to take it to the park. This is a nice, beautiful teal green color.